Hey Crafty hackers! Today, it's all gonna be about DIYs for soap packs. It's super easy and very effective. Dirty glasses? No problem. All you need is 1 bar of soap and paper towel. Scrub the soap onto the lens, like this, and then wipe it off with paper towel. Make sure to wipe off all the excess for a clean finish. Look, it's perfect! Do you have smelly shoes? Probably. But no worries, I have the solution. Nobody needs to walk around with smelly shoes. All you need is a bar of soap and 4 pieces of paper towel. The first step is to cut your soap into 4 pieces, like this. They really don't need to be equal. Once that's done, you take your paper towel and you fold it in 4, like this. And then fold the sides to create a pocket. Once you folded your 2 sides, you can staple them to make sure your finish is very solid. Can it get any easier? Now, you can insert your soap and your new shoe deodorant is ready to go. Now you can repeat these steps 3 other times. Don't forget to staple. Two down and 2 more to go. It gets faster as you go. Now put your deodorant into the shoe. And there you go, no more smelly shoe. Next up, we're going to make our own liquid soap. First, you need to grate 1 full bar of soap, like this. Be careful and don't cut yourself. Once that's done, you can mix it up a bit and add some water to make it melt. You don't need to add a lot, just a little bit. Now mix it up with the water to help the soap melt and add some cinnamon bars. Now you can add some more water and keep mixing. You should get that brownish color at the end. Wasn't it super easy? All you need to do is to filter your soap in a strainer into your soap container. Don't forget to put a cinnamon bar into it. And voila! Now it's ready to be used. Now this hack is genius. All you need is 1 sponge and a bar of soap. Soapbox, you're going to need to cut the two sides of your sponge. Like this. Make sure not to cut all the way through. Just halfway. Just cut it halfway. And then cut up the middle like this. And rip off the top. Put some muscle into it. You got this. If you want, you can cut off the excess, but it really does not need to be perfect. Since the sponge absorbs the water and the soap, you can even wash yourself with it. It has a double purpose. Now all you need to do is put your soap inside and you have a brand new soap box. For the next hack, we're going to create a soap container to make your washing way easier. All you need is soap, water, a container, and one sponge. The first step is to make holes with a screwdriver. You can make up to 5 or 6 holes, and make sure not to break the lid of your container, like I did. Now with hot glue, you can stick your sponge onto the lid where you made the holes. And now it's time for step 2. Add the water and the soap into the container. You don't need a lot of soap, just a little bit. And then close your container and your soap box is ready to use. Washing your dishes has never been made easier. Now I'm going to show you a series of hacks that works awesome with bubbles. First, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade bubble kit. You need a mason jar and dish soap. We are going to make 2 bubble kits. The first one, you're going to need a regular dish soap and fill it up halfway. Once you've done that, you can fill up the other half with water. You can use any dish soap you want to get the color that you want. In the next mason jar, you're going to put a friendly kid soap so that it doesn't burn the eyes. And you're going to fill the other half with water. Why hurt yourself when you're having fun? Now you have 2 bubble kits. One for adults and one for kids. Now we're going to create our own bubble sticks. All you need are a couple of straws and connect them together with 2 elastics. You can even play with the colors. Easy and perfect. With this bubble stick, you can blow multiple tiny bubbles. It's really cool. Another way to create a bubble stick is with a straw, a wooden stick, and an elastic. Connect the 2 ends of your straws together, and you can even play with the shapes. Once that's done, you can insert the wooden stick where you connected the 2 straws to make sure everything stays together. Now, to even make it more solid, you can add the elastic. Tie it however you want. It really doesn't matter. It's even an activity that keeps your kids busy and entertained. Isn't it nice? You can even make multiple shapes with multiple colors. Just have fun creating your own bubble sticks and different color and shapes. Now, let's test it out. It works so well! Even better than a normal bubble stick. Hey Crafty Hackers, if you liked our video, press the like button and press subscribe. See you next time!